15 most stunning birds in the world. If you live in a big city, interactions with our feathered friends may be rather limited. But every now and then it's worth taking the time to look up to the skies or head out to the countryside for a hike with your eyes and ears wide open. There are millions of birds on our planet of all shapes and sizes. Although sadly many now face a real battle for survival. Let's hope that they'll be around for many years to come. Here are some of the most beautiful and fascinating members of the avian community. Number 1. The greater flamingo. Depending on the species, flamingos are found in the Mediterranean region, in southern Africa, Central Asia, and Central and South America. The small lamella in their beaks filter food out of the muddy water they scoop up. One flamingo subspecies, the plastic variety, can be found inhabiting lawns in suburbs across the globe. Number 2. The black heron. This African wading bird uses its wings to form a canopy over its head when fishing, providing a clear, reflection-free view of what's on the menu. It makes you wonder. Number 3. The Philippine eagle. This impressive bird of prey is also known as the monkey-eating eagle. And with good reason. It has no qualms about making a meal of mammals that it hunts in the tropical forests of the Philippines. Lemurs, macaques, and squirrels all feature on this hawk's menu. Interesting fact, Philippine eagles hunt in pairs, using diversion tactics and surprise attacks. Number 4. The hyacinth macaw. This beautiful bird can be found in the humid tropical forests of South America. Unfortunately, its popularity as a pet and the destruction of its habitat are contributing to a population decline. Number 5. Temminck's tragopan. You'll have to take a trip to the Himalayas to catch a glimpse of this magnificent and grandly named creature. While it prefers to remain hidden, making it very hard to spot in the wild. The Temminck's tragopan does descend from the heights of its mountain range home, between 1,000 and 2,000 meters above sea level, to breed. Number 6. The Raggiana bird of paradise. Only the male of this Papua New Guinean species sports vibrant colors and long feathers on its sides, sometimes making it look as though it's wearing a feathery skirt. Number 7. The Eurasian hoopoe. Who forgot to brush their feathers before leaving the nest? This small bird, measuring 30 centimeters and weighing less than 100 grams, lives in Africa, Asia, Europe, and even in Alaska. The sun-loving Eurasian hoopoe enjoys nothing more than bathing in the sun, sand, and sand or dust bath. Number 8. The mandarin duck. This species really likes to spread its wings. Mandarin ducks can be found mainly in China, Japan, Korea, and Russia. Though stunningly beautiful, these birds are retiring individuals, often hiding away beneath overhanging branches. Number 9. The long-wattled umbrellabird. This bird can be found sporting its rock and roll hairstyle along the coasts of Colombia and Ecuador. Though the umbrellabird does have wings, flying is not really its strong suit. It prefers, instead, to hop from branch to branch. Number 10. The kakapo. If you've ever wanted to know the name of the world's biggest parrot, now you do. It's the kakapo, also known as the owl parrot. This native New Zealand bird was thought to be extinct until it reappeared in 1970, growing up to 2 feet tall. The flightless kakapo is still endangered, although climate change does seem to be helping population numbers. Number 11. The greater sage-grouse. This bird's natural habitat the Western United States is threatened by energy development, invasive plants, and farming. In springtime, the males of the species gather in dozens, strutting and puffing out their chests. Number 12. The frogmouth. Measuring between 40 and 50 centimeters, the frogmouth gets its name, which could almost have come straight from a J.K. Rowling novel, from its resemblance to the amphibian. These winged creatures would fit right into the Harry Potter universe. Don't you think? They live in Southeast Asia and Australia and are nocturnal hunters of insects, mice, small reptiles, and fruit. Number 13. The liwi. This little bird lives in Hawaii, but is sadly threatened by invasive feral pigs. Likewise, climate change has increased the number of mosquitoes carrying avian malaria, a disease that seriously affects populations of this species. Number 14. The keel-billed toucan. This Central American toucan is a real fun-loving fowl. Groups of up to 20 birds gather on tree branches and play, throwing pieces of fruit in the air and catching them or pushing each other with their beaks. Number 15. The golden pheasant. Here's another bird that really likes to spread its wings. This species can be found all the way from the mountainous forests of western China to the Falkland Islands and New Zealand. Usually only male pheasants have superb golden plumage. However, in very rare cases, some older females also develop these feathers and adopt behaviors that are typically observed in males. Thanks watching the videos. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to receive the new videos on time. YouTube, Kool&hothub.